Maine Mendoza update. Nagkakatayo na ni Maine. Imagine You and Me.
So, nag-promote ka rin?
Hindi, Ma'am Al, kasabay na po nung pelikula namin ni Alden. Kasi diba yung title, Imagine You and Me.
Ako kumanta ng theme song.
Opo.
Tapos songwriter pa.
Nakakahiya naman kung ganun.
Nahiya ka? Isang writer ka?
Yun, no?
Kasi, frustrated. So,
Ay, ano ba? Hindi mo lang kinarir. Pero
uy, di ba hindi nyo alam? Ha? Alam nyo na?
Ayan na, nakakantay na ni Maine.
All
Imagine
my
You and Me.
life I was dreaming. All my life I was searching. All my life I was seeking someone I can truly call my own. Then you arrived all of a sudden. Ano nakakahiya? Without a warning, it was you that I saw. Without a warning, it was you who came. You came right when I didn't know what to say. It would be nice to have you in my life. Would there be a chance for you to give it a try? It would be the best day of our lives. Imagine you and me together eternally.
Yun, no?
Ang galing nakapa natin kahit medyo ano.
Uy, hindi na ba nasundan yan?
Alin po?
The one and only na ba na kinompose mo yan?
Meron pa, Ma'am Alan.
Na-record din?
Opo. Pero,
Yeah.
pero hindi ko ni-release. Kasi
Sayang
nakakahiya.
yun, no?
Lahat na lang nahiya.
Uy, may talent ka, girl.
Totoo.
Tuloy mo lang yan.
Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard from Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.